Every gardener dreams of picking crisp, heavy cucumbers all summer long. But what if the ultimate secret to exploding your harvest is sitting right on your kitchen counter? Stay tuned until the very end because I will also share one critical mistake you must avoid, or it could ruin your entire crop. Most mornings, we simply throw away the exact nutrient that cucumber vines need to produce huge yields. The secret is used coffee grounds. Cucumbers are heavy feeders. To push those long vines up your trellis and develop dozens of crisp fruits, they drain nitrogen from the soil rapidly. While standard chemical fertilizers wash away fast, used coffee grounds provide a gentle, slow-release nitrogen source that directly feeds the soil and roots. Many worry that coffee is too acidic, but brewing your morning pot safely washes all that harsh acid directly into your coffee cup. What remains in your filter is a balanced, near-neutral organic material. It is completely safe and highly beneficial for your most sensitive vegetable roots. For a massive harvest, start by taking exactly 2 tablespoons of damp used coffee grounds. Sprinkle them in a thin circle around the plant base. Keep the grounds a few inches away from the main stem. Gently scratch them into the top inch of your garden soil. Did you know earthworms absolutely love this organic matter? They will quickly come to the surface, pulling those rich nutrients deep into the roots. If you have less time and want an even faster explosion of green growth, you can easily switch to a liquid feed method. Simply mix 2 cups of grounds into a standard bucket of water. Let it sit for 2 days and use this rich coffee liquid once a week. As a wonderful bonus, this simple trick safely deters slugs and snails. They strongly dislike crawling over the gritty texture to reach your vines. Once your vines are heavily covered in bright yellow flowers, ease back on the grounds so the plant focuses entirely on growing cucumbers. Over the season, this daily leftover deeply improves soil structure and locks in crucial moisture during the hottest summer afternoons. Now, here is that crucial warning. Never use fresh, unbrewed coffee grounds, as they are far too acidic and will severely stunt your plants. You are turning free kitchen waste into a heavy, delicious harvest. Try saving 2 tablespoons tomorrow morning and watch your vines explode. Thank you for joining us today in the garden. Please subscribe for more simple, science-backed growing advice for a massive, heavy harvest.